Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change text-to-speech preferred language in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this function, how to change our preferred language in our text-to-speech application. So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu here, and in the talkback section we have settings. And here it is, text-to-speech settings. Here we have preferred language. By default it will use the same language as our phone, but if you want to change it, we need to tap cog right here, and we can change to another default language. Of course, we can install more, but we need to have internet access to do it.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
We change to English, our text-to-speech application. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.